Yo, welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Thanks for visiting my channel. Today is Wednesday's upload. I got the ring light and I got the induction stove, so much more to come. Now I can do videos with my hands in the video, showing you step by step, and soon I'm going to appear in the videos. You just have to give me time to get accustomed to this. I'm your amateur chef, your friend. And we're taking this journey together, so much more content to come. And let's have fun and learn different things, and let's revisit old recipes and enjoy them. Like, life is about fun, enjoying food. Food does not have to look gourmet, look like it came out of a restaurant. As long as it tastes good and you're happy with it, why not go with that? Like I said, a lot of recipes don't look gourmet. Like on Instagram, there's people that do food photography, food blogs. They know how to touch up the pictures, but a lot of stuff doesn't look gourmet, but it tastes excellent. So we're gonna take this journey together. So much to come in 2021. Bear with me. I'm gonna try to grow this channel. I like to cook and I like to display things. So let's take this journey together, and we're going to revisit a lot of old recipes that we had when we were kids. Why not? Like, we'll do that, new recipes, there'll be food reviews, and I really appreciate you being here. So I love you, and let's get to the recipe. Bye-bye. Love you. Peace. Dan Soy, a.k.a. Batman in the Kitchen. Alright, so for today's recipe, we have mozzarella, we got rotisserie chicken, we have caramelized onions, we got fresh red onion to give it a kick. We also have barbecue sauce, and we have this Brooklyn bread pizza crust. This is really good. It's well known, and it makes for a really good pizza. So we're gonna get started with this recipe soon, and welcome to the Food Zone. This is Wednesday's upload. Thanks for being here. Alright, so this is what that Brooklyn bread looks like. We're gonna cut this in half, and I'll demonstrate making the barbecue chicken pizza on one side and the other one, and we're gonna do everything in one pan. But this is that Brooklyn bread. They make ones for hamburgers and sandwiches, but this one is actually really good. So I'm gonna cut these in half, and then we'll actually put these in the pan with butter and warm them, and then we'll build the pizza. Alright, YouTube, so we're gonna put this pan on medium, and we're gonna just coat the bottom of this pan with butter. Once that's coated, we're going to take this Brooklyn bread that's already cut, and we're going to lay that in there. If we can't get both pieces in there, we'll do one at a time. So you're going to want to coat this pan with butter, and just keep it on medium. If your stove runs hot, then put it towards low. Like, we're in no rush. We just want to brown the bottom of this pizza dough. So you see the bottom. So the thing we're going to do is we're going to do one at a time. And the thing that you can do is put the cover on this and take it from there. Alright, YouTube. Actually, for demonstration purposes today, I'm only going to demonstrate on the one piece. But you see that butter around there? And we just want to get this bottom coated. If you want it, you can flip this over and get that side done. It's all up to you, whichever way you want to do it. Alright, YouTube, so you see that I'm moving this around. It's basically done. So the thing is, what you want to do is turn your stove off and let this rest for a minute and just keep spinning it. If you want, you could remove it from the burner, but it's all up to you. This is your house, your cook. So the thing we're going to do is we'll get ready on the other side, and we'll prepare like everything for the top, and then we're not going to wipe this down. We'll put the pizza back in here with the cover, and we'll melt the cheese and everything. So this is a perfect barbecue chicken recipe. Thanks for being part of this channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll have future recipes and much more to come. Alright YouTube, so we're back. You can see that Brooklyn bread is done. Now we're going to take this barbecue sauce and just put on the amount of barbecue sauce that you want. So this is all up to your preference. If you wanted to use pizza sauce, you could do the same thing. Alright, so we have the barbecue sauce on there. Now we're going to take this rotisserie chicken and we're going to spread this around. And like I said, this is your house, your cook, your family. So put on what you want. Alright, so we have the chicken on there. Now we're going to take our mozzarella or pizza cheese and spread this about. So put on what you think you would like. If you want extra cheese or only a few, and just do that, and then we'll put the other toppings on. Alright, so we have that cheese on there. Now we're going to take the caramelized onion and spread that around. This is going to have a great taste because you have the barbecue, you have these onions, you have the cheese, and then you'll have some red onions to top it. So just spread this around, and then we'll do the last step. Alright, so we have that onion on there. You can see the nice color of that. And now you're going to take this red raw onion, and you're going to just spread that around. That'll give it a little kick, and it's a perfect combination for barbecue pizza, chicken pizza. In the last step, we're going to take this, move it to our pan that's over here, and we'll finish it off, and then it's time to eat. Alright, so you can see that we're done. I took the toppings and I put them away, and we're going to move this to the pan. Alright YouTube, the final step. We got the pizza that we made in here. Now we're going to put our stove on low, and we're going to want to put the cover on this and just melt the cheese and everything. If you want, you can put water around here, then the top, and you use steam to melt. Alright YouTube, so we have the cover on there, and just let the heat do the magic. Once it melts, we're done, and then you can eat. So this is a simple recipe, and if we weren't doing a step-by-step with the ring light and going over this recipe, this would probably only take you 3 minutes. It's best to prep the stuff ahead of time. And that chicken, cook the chicken a day ahead and keep it in a Ziploc bag or container. Or if you have like leftover chicken, use that in this recipe the following day. But prepping stuff and cooking the meat a day before saves a lot of time. So now we just have to give this time for it to melt. Like I said, if you want, you can put water around here and it'll steam up. Alright YouTube, so you can see, I put water on this side and that side. You see the steam starting to build? Now the steam will start to melt the cheese and infuse all the flavors together. So you see that sizzle? You see that steam coming off the pan right here? So just let it do its magic. Like I said, there's no rush to this, because when you're doing this by yourself or with your kids, the time's going to be less. So let this do it, and then when we're done, we'll just plate it. But you could really see the steam here now. I just turned the stove off, and I'm just going to let all the steam melt the cheese and infuse the flavors together. This is not the typical pizza. You might not have the cheese bubbling at the top, but it'll be underneath all the ingredients. But A barbecue chicken pizza is unique and it's really good in flavor and it's something different. So let's just finish this and meet you at the plate to eat it. All right, YouTube, there you have it. Your Brooklyn bred barbecue chicken pizza. You can see the cheese in there, the red onion, the caramelized onion. You have that Brooklyn bread. So now you just have to enjoy. So this is something you can make with your kids, for yourself, anytime. And when you bite into this, it's going to be a variety of flavors. So today is your Wednesday upload. Hopefully I'll see you on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays if I can. And we're taking a break from the tacos right now. And I'm not sure what's going to be on the next episode, but there's more to come. And can you please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get further updates. Tell your friends and family about this. And you have a good day. Be safe. COVID-19 is better. The masks are not going to be worn across the United States. And things are looking positive. So thanks for being part of my channel. And I will see you real soon. And there's a variety of content coming. So take care, love you, God bless, peace. Dan Soy.